A user needs to change the way Premiere Pro displays pixels for a clip from a non-square aspect ratio to a square aspect ratio. In which two places can the user change this setting? Choose 2. Option A. Clip Modify Pixel Ratio. Option B. Right-click on Clip Modify Pixel Ratio. Option C. Clip Modify Interpret Footage. Option D. Right-click on Clip Modify Interpret Footage. The correct answer is option C, D. How can a user crossfade between audio clips? Option A. Expand the audio tracks, trim the clips using the timeline. Option B. Move the current time indicator to the edit point between the clips, trim the clips using the timeline. Option C. Move the current time indicator to the edit point between the clips, choose sequence, apply audio transition. Option D. Expand the audio tracks, choose sequence, apply audio transition. The correct answer is option D. Click the Exhibit tab to view the exhibit. Which command is used to mark the range as shown in the exhibit? Image. Option A. Mark in and mark out. Option B. Mark split. Option C. Mark range. Option D. Mark clip. The correct answer is option D. Which file format can a user export to after choosing File Export Media? A. OMF. Option A. OFF. Option B. EDL. Option D. AVI. The correct answer is option D.